Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel Beauty in a Minute. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about another The Ordinary product. And today it is the natural moisturizing factors. This is a very popular product from The Ordinary. And I consider this one of their successful products. I mean, some of the ordinary products is just average to me. You know, there's nothing wrong with them. I mean, the fact that they are a lot cheaper than some other clinical skincare products out there just makes them so much more accessible and affordable and low cost. Um, yeah, I consider this one of their success stories. Yeah, it is a white moisturizer. And I'm just going to rub it over my skin here. It's got a very, very soft texture. The only thing is it does take a little while to be absorbed into your skin. So yeah, a couple of things about this moisturizer. In my opinion, this is a very simple, basic, great, and cheap moisturizer. So if you are after a complete no-fuss, a moisturizer that is free of perfume, free of preservatives, paraben, free of too much excessive oil. If you are somebody who is after a moisturizer that has a lot less oil, you don't want a very oily moisturizer, this is a perfect moisturizer. So when it does melt eventually, yeah, it's got a slightly more tacky feeling. The ingredients for the natural moisturizing factors. So I'm just going to read it from the screen here. It is supposed to have 11 amino acids in the form of arginine, glycine, serine, valine, alanine, and so forth. It's got allantoin. It's got hyaluronic acid. And then it has glycerin and a whole lot of other, what you call emollients. And this product is alcohol-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free. Personally, I think this is an excellent moisturizer for those who are suffering from acne, for those who have very irritated skin, you know, because it is just free of all those other irritable ingredients. And yet it has all the emollients in there to just lock in the moisture without irritating your skin. It's got all those amino acids to feed your skin. And the texture is not too bad. Yeah, it does sit nicely under my sunscreen. All the ordinary products are available here at the Farmers Department Store in New Zealand. The Farmers Department Store in New Zealand stocks the full range of the ordinary products. And this moisturizer comes in two sizes. The 30 mils is $12.55. And then the 100 mils is $16.70. So what I'm holding here is the 30 mils. The 100 mils is just a little bit taller than this. I mean, if you are a student or you are somebody on a smaller budget and you would like something a lot more accessible and low cost and a moisturizer that is fantastic for day-to-day use, you can even use this as an evening moisturizer. I mean, you just can't go wrong with this moisturizer. Seriously, there's just nothing wrong with it. Yeah, I mean, this is my second tube actually. I do call this a success product from The Ordinary. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.